happened, Simran?
No what? I don't want my egg. I open the thingy.
What is a thingy?
Right here.
You have to eat your egg.
No, I don't want to because my baby's eating right now, so I don't feed him.
Go feed your baby, but you have to eat your egg too, so you can become big and strong.
No, I want cracker floor.
You want a what?
I want cracker floor.
You want a what?
I want cracker floor in your wall.
You want to crack my floor and my wall?
Yeah,
Why?
because I'm big.
Because-
Look at this.
Oh my God, you're so big. You cracked the floor and the wall.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now you open this.
That doesn't make you strong though, that's candy, that's sugar.
Okay, open it.
Open it?
Yeah.
Open it what? I don't take orders from little babies.
Please.
Can I have a kitty? Mwah.
Ah.